guys.
You want to go? Wait.
Where's my
Who
bomb
was my
at?
teammate before? You?
Where's my bomb?
You're going with me to get a bomb out. You're going with me to go Osama.
I need my
Where do you want me to
bomb.
go?
Go spawn in.
Where's my bomb?
Where
Go
do you want me to
spawn in.
go?
Where's my bomb?
It's spawn in.
Where my bomb? Oh, there's my bomb.
Mission's live. Stick to the plan and stay on
Okay, me
point.
you. Let's go.
Hey, got it.
I will get Osama with the sledgehammer.
Okay. Hi.
What's up?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I'm here. Got it. Okay. We're gonna go.
going this way now. Okay.
We're gonna hit him in the head with a sledgehammer. Yeah.
Go do that.
What?
Go do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the other guy?
Gotta hit him in the head though.
Doesn't Bin Laden have a gun though?
Yeah.
Oh. We need to be very sneaky.
Yeah. Hit him in the head.
Yeah, that's it.
What? Open already. Peekaboo.
You're coming with me.
Oh. Oh. Here, can I climb? No, I can't climb. Down.
Buddy, I will wait for you.
Okay.
I just got jumped by 4 guys.
Good job. Peekaboo. Oh, no. Okay.
Buddy, are you here?
Yes.
Ow, dang it.
Don't die. Don't die again. Don't die.
Dang it. I messed up big time. Oh, fun. I died. Man, I had bomb. no, okay.
Coming.
I will wait.
That turd. Hi.
Hi, what's up?
I have the bomb.
Yeah, I had the bomb, but then I lost it. Because I died.
Well, that hurt very much.
It hurt very much.
Yeah, I got shot like 10 times. Yes, that hurt very much.
Oh, it does. No, let me have bomb. I'm bomb guy. Don't throw it at me. No, okay.
I will kill Bin Laden.
First level clear.
Okay. Ah!
Dude, watch where you're aiming.
There's one in the... Okay. You need to protect me. Tell me where Bin Laden is, or would be.
He's either upstairs on the very top
There you go, up here.
or in the building over there.
There's one behind us.
Go sledge him. Go sledge him. Go on. Go sledge him.
Where?
Go.
He's not in here.
Not in there? Oh, okay. Come this way.
We go to the roof and then we jump off.
I think going downstairs was just easier and faster.
Ah. Oh, I feel cooler.
Yeah. Alright, go. Go get him. Go get him.
There's two people.
Did I get him? Yeah, he
Yeah.
did. No.
I see Osama. Hey!
Yay! You
I
sledged
did.
him!
Yeah!
Yes!
Yeah!
Alright, go plant that bomb.
Okay.
I didn't think it was possible.
I got coverage up top.
Go on.
Nope. Yep.
I didn't think it was gonna be possible. Hit it with that camera.
I'm gonna stay up here for exfil
Go run,
too.
run. No, my shield. I know. Run.
Behind us.
Confirm your secondary objective
Big
in
boom.
RTV. Marking your extraction site for the rest.
Oof. Hi.
Where we expo that?
This way.
Southeast side.
I need my shield. It's... Okay. Well. Hi. Door.
Dang it!
Don't shoot him.
We're closed in here. We are finding a way out.
Yeah, just go on the stairs. It's easy. Don't go in it. Don't go in it. Don't go in it. We need to wait.
Okay, okay.
Stay away
Okay,
from
go
the
in it.
exit site.
Go, go,
Find cover.
go, go, go.
We have eyes on your team at the LZ. Your ride home is on its way.
Alright, find cover.
Die.
They hear him.
We did. Ah!
I took out the gun already.
One life.
Is he dead?
Now he is.
Peekaboo. Nope.
He peekaboo, he died.
ETA 30 seconds.
Yay. I'm too short. I'm kneeling on the ground. I'm too short.
No!
No, behind you! Behind you! Ow. Ow.
I got shot
Wow.
trying to reload.